Hi again, it's Matt. I'm here today to show you a little more about the cell editor for Cellular Explorer. And we'll get things started by going to the cell editing mode. That's the top button here in the cell editor. And this shows you each of the cells in your automaton. And you have a few different main types to choose from. We'll fill this up with some MBOT cells just to get started. The first kind of main thing you can do with the cell editor is you can draw cells, and just one at a time, or you can use the brushes located here in the lower right hand corner, and you can draw, different sized blocks of cells, or you could even do a glider shaped design if you'd like. Your cell drawing has a couple of main options to try out. You can draw a checkerboard pattern by pressing the check option here, and that will fill in cells alternating between your two selections. And if you'd like to reverse the positions of the cells as they fill in, you can right click and that will give you the reverse pattern, like so. Next you can draw randomly generated cells, and those will be of all the different types and all the different options. And you can combine these two options, check and random, and you'll get every other cell will be either your first selected cell, or it'll be randomly generated. I have these same options for your fill commands. You can fill one kind of cell, you can fill a checkerboard of two different types of cells, you can fill random cells, or you can fill half checkerboard, half random. You also have a border setting command here, and you can set a straight border, and this goes all the way around the outer edge, which I try to give you a fair amount of room here to work with, so you can have room for different behaviors. And you can have a checkerboard border, you could have a random border, or you could have both, like so. Those are kind of the main things you can do in cell editing mode. In case you're interested, some of these you can do while the automaton is running. We'll just start off some pattern here, and then we could change to a completely different rule just by filling in the cells. And you could put in a border if you like, and you see something a little different happening around the border there. Fill in border you can do while it's running, but you cannot draw while it's running. That's one thing that does not happen yet. That's just so you can experiment a little while it's going. One other thing you might like to see, there's a cell information window which gives you the details of each of the cells as you pass over it. Randomly fill it in and you see all the different types. if you just want to know kind of the details. Those are the main features of the cell editor. Thanks for watching and enjoy Cellular Explorer.